Hello, fellow gardeners. There is a specific kind of magic that happens right around March 21st. The equinox arrives, the sun hangs just a bit longer in our Prescott sky, and that winter chill finally starts to leave the soil. You can almost hear the earth taking a deep breath, ready to exhale a season of green. For us, this isn't just a change in the calendar, it is a homecoming. I have always said that gardening is the slowest of the performing arts, but by late March, the tempo really starts to pick up. Today, we are talking about how to capture that joy and which plants will make your heart sing this spring. To keep the joy alive all season, you have to plant with a plan. In our unique mountain climate, March is the month of the Great Awakening. It is the time to look at the bones of your garden, the trees and shrubs that provide the structure. If you want a plant that defines the joy of spring, look no further than the Prescott Redbud. These are local favorites for a reason. They produce stunning magenta blooms that cling directly to the bark before those heart-shaped leaves even emerge. They are tough, drought tolerant, and they tell the entire neighborhood that winter is truly over. Now, many of you ask me, Ken, what can I put in the ground right now that won't mind a sudden late season frost? The answer is more straightforward than you think. Pansies and violas. These are the cool season royalty and the absolute workhorses of the March garden. If we get a dusting of snow, they might tuck their heads down, but as soon as the sun hits them, they pop right back up. Creeping phlox. If you have a rock wall or a drab slope, plant some phlox. It creates a carpet of pink, purple, and white that smothers weeds and smells like pure springtime. English. Primrose. These love the dappled shade under our tall pines and provide saturated, neon bright colors that few other plants can match this early in the year. I often see gardeners rushing to buy the prettiest blooms, only to stick them in native soil that is as hard as a brick. If you want joy, you have to give those roots a proper home. When planting this month, always use Water's Premium Mulch. Our mountain soil is notoriously alkaline and lacks organic matter. Mix your native dirt with this mulch at a 50-50 ratio to give your plants the drainage and nutrients they crave. Also, don't forget to feed them. March is when plants wake up hungry. Use a 7-4-4 all-purpose food on your entire landscape this month. This ensures they have the energy to push out those first critical leaves and buds. Gardening is a journey of discovery. Walk your yard with a cup of coffee and look for dead spots where nothing is happening. That is the perfect place for a lilac, like the Miss Kim or Ludwig Spath, which thrive in our high altitude. The work we do now, the pruning, feeding, and planting, paves the way for a summer of beauty. Stop by Waters Garden Center this week and let's talk about your sunlight and your soil. We also have free gardening classes every Saturday at 9:30 a.m., including The Joyful Gardener on March 21st. Until next week, I'll be here at Waters Garden Center helping happy gardeners plant joyful plants.